Christian, what's that?
Ooh.
Oh, what is this? Christian, what's this?
Oh.
What about this?
N.
M. What's this?
O.
How about this?
Q.
How about this?
B.
Good job. How about this one?
V.
Not V. This is V. What's the one next to it?
M.
Oh, you're looking at it upside down. It looks like an M, right? What,
M.
what about this one?
Q.
Good job. What's this?
J.
Yeah. How about this one?
O.
L.
O.
Great job, buddy.